In this video, you will learn how to download profile pictures on Instagram. First, open Instagram. Open Instagram on your phone or on your computer. Then, navigate to the profile picture of the person you want the photo to download. Then, copy the URL of the profile. On mobile, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the profile and copy the URL. On desktop, click copy the URL from the browser bar. Then, go on your Google. Go to Google, open your browser and search Profile Picture Downloader for Instagram. Then, click on one of these three. After that, paste the profile URL. Paste the copied Instagram profile URL into the search box on their website. After that, download the profile picture. After pasting the URL, the website will show a full-size profile picture. Click the download button or click on the right to download the image. After that, save the picture. On mobile, tap and hold the image, then choose Save Image. On desktop, right-click on the image and then click Save Image As. Save it to your computer. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Instagram profile picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.